And it's something that we are heavily focused on in My Tinnitus Club as well. So if you head over to www.mytinnitus.club, inside the club you will find vast resources of courses on acceptance and commitment therapy and cognitive behavior therapy that tell you exactly how to strategically go to implement the tools that you need to teach your brain in order to deprioritize tinnitus, to get lasting tinnitus relief, and to also join a group of supportive people from all over the world, from Canada, the US, the UK, Germany, Netherlands, pretty much from anywhere where you can imagine we have people from in the community.